Fixing a typo in your WordPress pages takes 5 clicks. You need to open a dashboard, find the page, open the editor, make the change, go back and check. Well, it takes time. In this video, I'm gonna show you a way to use a quick edit like this. Just make the edit, save, it automatically closes and refreshes, and you'll see all the changes. It works with all post types, and it also works with products. For example, quick editing products. Takes just a couple of clicks, edit, update, it closes, refreshes, and done. Setting this up takes only a minute. It's really easy. That is, just follow the link I'm gonna put in the video description. It's a free plugin I made for myself. Just follow the link, download the plugin, install it, and done. There are no settings. The plugin is really lightweight. You'll see the quick edit button up here. One thing you should know is that when you click on the quick edit, make the change, and you would like to leave without saving it, it asks for the confirmation. At the moment I'm gonna cancel, I'm gonna save, close, and you'll see it refreshed and changes are displayed on the site. One more thing, if you click on the quick edit and you won't change anything when you close it down, for the next 30 seconds the page is cached in your browser memory, which means now when you click on a quick edit, it opens quicker. And as I said, it works also with the products. Just go open up a product, quick edit, close. Next time you click, it opens up as quickly. If you want to change something, then just do it here. You can change everything you would normally do in your WooCommerce editing page. Update, it closes, refreshes, and done. Now this is only one of the plugins I have made for myself. The other one I have created allows me to customize the dashboard to look like this. I can use the Gutenberg editor to customize it. For example, when I go to the pages and open up the documentation page, everything I change here will be displayed on the dashboard here. This way I can customize the dashboard for my customers in a way I like. Usually I'm gonna put tutorial videos here, contact information, and so on. Second plugin I have created allows me to activate and deactivate plugins like this. Just I'm gonna open something, I'm gonna activate it, close, it automatically refreshes, plugin is activated. When I want to deactivate it in a similar way, let's deactivate it, and now I can also delete it, and done. There is no need for me to go to the plugins page and deactivate or delete the plugin. Also, the same plugin makes it work in a way that all activated plugins are displayed above and deactivated plugins are here below. I have made 2 separate videos about how to use these plugins. These videos are on the screen right now, so be sure to take a look at it next. In the meantime, take care.